In today's video, I'm going to teach you AI faceless YouTube channel setup, no camera, no voice. If you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording your own voice, this is a simple workflow to follow. The first thing you need to do is choose a profitable niche. Pick something that is easy to create content around without filming yourself, like AI tools, business and finance, motivation, history facts, technology, productivity tips, or trivia and education. Try to stay focused on one niche because that helps YouTube understand who your content is for and makes it easier to build a clear audience. Next, create your YouTube channel. Choose a channel name that matches your niche and feels easy to remember. Then design a logo in Canva, create a banner, and write a short, simple channel description. Keep everything visually consistent so your channel looks organized and professional right from the start. After that, generate video ideas using AI. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to come up with content ideas quickly. A useful prompt would be to ask for 50 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about your topic, such as AI tools for beginners. This helps you build a content list in advance, so you're never stuck wondering what to post next. Once you have an idea, create the script. Ask AI to write a short YouTube Shorts script with a strong hook. For shorts, keep the script between 80 and 150 words so it stays fast, clear, and easy to watch. Then generate an AI voice for the script. Tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, and CapCut can help with this. It's a good idea to customize the voice instead of using the most common preset because a more distinctive voice can make your content feel less generic and more original. Now create the visuals. Use AI image or video generators like Leonardo AI, Kling AI, Pika, or Luma Dream Machine to turn text prompts into visuals that match your script. These visuals will become the backbone of your faceless videos. Next, edit the video by combining the AI visuals, AI voiceover, captions, and background music. CapCut Desktop is a strong free option for this. Keep the pacing quick and make sure every scene supports what's being said. Add captions as well, because many shorts viewers watch without sound. CapCut Auto Captions and Veed are both helpful for this. If you're making long-form videos, create a thumbnail using Canva or Adobe Express. Use large text, a simple design, and focus on one main idea so it's easy to understand at a glance. Finally, upload consistently. A beginner-friendly schedule is 3 to 5 shorts a day and one long-form video each week. In the beginning, consistency, strong hooks, good pacing, and a recognizable style matter more than expensive gear.